Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure ingredients precisely. Use 1/2 cup flour, 1/2 cup sugar, and 3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa. Add a pinch of salt and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder to avoid flat texture. Crack in 1 large egg, then pour 1/4 cup neutral oil and 1/4 cup milk into the bowl. Whisk until no streaks of flour remain. Choose a 12-ounce microwave-safe mug or a small ceramic bowl, and lightly grease it with butter or nonstick spray so the brownie releases easily after cooking. In a clean bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa, salt, and baking powder. Whisk until uniform. Add the egg, oil, and milk. Stir vigorously until smooth and glossy, scraping the bowl sides so no dry pockets remain. Pour the batter into the greased 12-ounce mug, tap it once on the counter to settle bubbles. Then microwave on high for 70 to 90 seconds if you have a 1000 W microwave. Use 90 to 120 seconds for a 700 W unit, and reduce in 10-second increments if allow the mug brownie to rest for 1 to 2 minutes after microwaving so residual heat finishes cooking without drying it out. Test doneness by inserting a toothpick or clean spoon. A few moist crumbs are fine, but raw batter indicates you need 10-second increments more. If overcooked, add moisture with 1 tablespoon melted butter or 1/4 cup warm milk. Serve warm topped with 1 tablespoon powdered sugar or a 1/4 cup scoop of ice cream. Store leftovers covered in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.